Welcome to the YINK feature tutorial. In this video, we will introduce a new feature, Perforated Cutting. Perforated cutting is mainly used for window film cutting. With this feature, the blade cuts through the film between 2 points, while leaving a small 0.2 millimeter uncut connection point between segments. This creates a dashed cutting structure that keeps the film connected. This helps installers peel the film more easily and reduces edge curling, especially when using vertical cutting machines. Steps. Select the graphic to be cut. Left-click Cutting. In the pop-up panel, check Window Membrane Cutting. Set the parameters, dash length, distance between cut segments, default 20 gap length, diameter of the connection point, default 0.2 millimeters. Click Plot to start cutting. That's all. To learn more about YINK software features and tips, visit yinkglobal.com and explore more software tutorial videos.